what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny, and today I have a very exciting video for you guys because I'm gonna be showing you the brand new LA Girl Cosmetics Break Free eyeshadow palettes. These palettes are so stunning, and you guys definitely have to check them out. So if you want to see the shades inside and how they work on the eyes, then don't go anywhere and let's get right into the video. Alright babes, so let's get this video started. And first of all, I want to say thank you to LA Girl Cosmetics for working with me on this video. When they told me that they were releasing new eyeshadow palettes, I got super excited because you guys know that I am a fan from their eyeshadow palettes. I have reviewed them in the past and they have been so stunning. But these new eyeshadow palettes, oh my goodness, you guys are gonna die. These are so freaking cute. So these are their brand new Break Free eyeshadow palettes, and just look at how gorgeous the packaging is. So the first Break Free eyeshadow palette is called This Is Me, and just look at how beautiful this packaging is. This palette is supposed to resemble a social butterfly that has playful colors. The beautiful tones in this palette are mostly purples and lilacs. It has mattes and it has a lot of beautiful shimmer shades, and this one is perfect for those of you that love purples and lilac colors. It has a beautiful color story. And the second Break Free eyeshadow palette is called Be You, and this one I have to say that is probably my favorite one, and it's the one that I use in today's tutorial. But this one, I love it because it has a lot of earthy and just warm tones, and you guys know that I love my neutrals. I can play with colors, but I also love neutrals and warm tones, and this palette has all of that, especially those gold and yellow shades. You guys know that I love yellows and just metal colors. It has chromes. It has a lot of really warm, beautiful transition color shades. And I just love that it's called Be You because this is literally me in an eyeshadow palette. If I was an eyeshadow palette, I will have these colors. These colors are just stunning. And the packaging, of course, is so cute. They both have a butterfly theme. But what's so cool about them is that when you move them around, the cover also changes. This one does it as well. They both retail for $15.99 each, and you can find them at select Ulta stores and also online. But of course, I know that you want to see how they work on the eyes, so I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to create this sunset inspired gold eye look. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with this super beautiful warm tone brown that it's called Free, and I'm gonna start working this shadow on my crease to start warming things up. And by the way, I currently only have my foundation and brows on, obviously, and I will finish the rest of my makeup after we are done with the eyes. And you don't have to be that precise with the first shadow that you apply on your crease because this is basically gonna create the foundation for the rest of the look. So don't worry. So I'm just applying it all along my crease, and at the same time, I'm gonna start flicking it out to create a cat eye effect. So we're gonna start adding a little bit of color. So the next shade I'm gonna be using is this one right here that it's called Rice. And that one is like a yellow eyeshadow, but it does have a little bit of a mustard hint. So I'm gonna use the same brush that I have been using, and I'm gonna apply it a little bit lower than the other brown because we don't want this next shade to be as high as the first one that we used. So I'm gonna start right here on the outer corner, and I'm gonna slowly bring it to the front of the eye. And with this shade, I pretty much just want to bring a little bit more of yellow tones on my crease because I want to use this gold eyeshadow in the palette that it's honestly so stunning, and I think that this is gonna complement the look really well. So I'm gonna switch to a small taper blending brush like this one, and I just want this shape because I want to apply this next shadow right here that it's called Sunset. That is literally what I'm going for. I want to create like sunset colors on my eyes, so I'm gonna be applying this shadow mostly just right here on the outer corner. Ooh, this color is so pretty. With this color, I am mostly doing tapping motion, so I'm not really blending. I'm pretty much just packing on the color. And look at how beautiful this color transition came out. So you have the yellow tones on the inner corner and it moves into the sunset and orangey tones towards the outer part of the eye to simply create a sunset vibe. But for the next step, I do want to grab a little bit of concealer and I'm going to do a half cut crease, but I'm just going to speed it up a little bit since you guys have seen me do cut creases so many times. Alright, so now that we cut the crease, I'm going to go back to the same shade Sunset and I'm going to be applying this between the concealer and the outer part of the eyes so that this section looks more blended. And now for the best part, I'm going to be using the shadow that I have been wanting to use this whole time, and it's this beautiful yellow gold shadow called Glowing. And just look at how beautiful that swatch is. So pigmented. So I'm going to start off by using this shadow straight with my finger on top of the area where we apply the concealer, and oh my goodness, this color is so pretty. I love gold tones, so this is giving it to me. So pigmented and very foil, which is something that I love. And in order to get a more precise application around the cut crease, I'm going to use a small flat shader brush. Alright, so this is what we have going on so far. That yellow gold shadow is so pretty, you guys. I just love how pigmented and foil it is. It looks so pretty. But let me go off camera so that I can do a quick eyeliner, apply some falsies, and I'm gonna finish the rest of my face makeup and I will be right back. Alright babes, so I did the rest of my makeup off camera. I mean, I did everything except my lower lash line because we're gonna do that here together. And I'm gonna be grabbing once again my Break Free BU eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be using these two colors. So I'm going to use Sunset on the outer part of my lower lash line. And I'm going to use Rice, the yellow one, towards the inner corner. So let's do that. Oh my god, this shade is so pretty. I just love how pigmented it is. And the color is just stunning. And with another clean brush, I'm going to grab the Sunset yellow shade. And I'm going to apply it towards the inner corner. And with this small blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out. And lastly, I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. So this is the final result. What do you guys think? I love these colors. You guys already know that I am obsessed with this eye look. And of course, this beautiful Break Free palettes from LA Girl Cosmetics. This one right here that I used today, the colors are just stunning and I cannot wait to use this other one. I might do a second look using this other palette. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see that. But in the meantime, don't forget to check out these palettes from LA Girl Cosmetics. They are stunning. You can find them at select Ulta stores and also online. And they are super affordable, like I said at the beginning. So definitely check them out. Thank you so much to LA Girl Cosmetics for working with me on this video. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.